United States Army, in close cooperation with the Polish Air Force Inspectorate, successfully completed a joint live-fire campaign of the Spike NLOS missile system from a U.S. Army 12th Combat Aviation Brigade AH-64 EV-6 Apache Guardian helicopter. Spike NLOS is a heavier, larger member of the Spike family tailored for long standoff engagements. Unlike the man-portable Spike LR or MR variants, the NLOS is built to be fired from vehicles, ships, and aircraft and to prosecute targets at distances measured in tens of kilometers. The missile uses a combination of inertial and GPS navigation to reach a search or holding area and an electro-optical infrared or EO/IR seeker to acquire and home on targets during the terminal phase. Depending on the variant and mission profile, the missile can be guided via a data link that allows an operator to view the missile's camera feed, select or change a target, and even abort or reassign the shot in flight. The campaign, held on the northern coast of Poland, marked an important milestone for Allied long-range precision strike capabilities. During the campaign, 2 Spike NLOS missiles engaged sea-based targets at distances of up to 25 kilometers, demonstrating precision strike accuracy and flexible target engagement from a rotary wing platform. Rafael's published figures for modern Spike NLOS configurations indicate effective ranges up to about 32 kilometers from surface launch and further from airborne launches, placing it squarely in the tactical long-range category. The missile carries a multi-purpose warhead designed to defeat a range of targets, from soft and lightly armored vehicles to buildings and other point targets, using blast fragmentation and penetration effects as appropriate for the target set. The combination of long reach and a precision EO/IR seeker gives commanders a way to engage high-value or fleeting targets without exposing troops to direct fire. A defining quality of the Spike NLOS is that it preserves an operator-in-the-loop concept at long ranges. The missile seeker sends imagery and metadata back to the launcher or to another controlling platform over a data link, enabling human target identification and final authorization before terminal guidance. Rafael has also developed variants and system improvements that allow for mid-flight transfer of missile guidance between platforms. For example, a helicopter that launches a missile can hand off control to a ground vehicle or another aircraft if tactical conditions change. That flexibility reduces single-platform exposure and supports coordinated multi-domain prosecution of targets. Observers from several countries, including senior military representatives and defense officials, witnessed the successful operational integration firsthand. This marked the first time that the U.S. Army employed the Spike NLOS missile in the European theater. The Spike NLOS missile's successful integration on the AH-64E Apache emphasizes the system's capability to meet evolving mission needs, particularly in maritime and beyond line-of-sight scenarios. A major operational strength of the Spike NLOS is platform flexibility. Rafael and partners have demonstrated the system fired from a wide range of vehicles, from light special operations buggies to armored trucks, afloat on naval deck launchers, and from helicopters, including Apache platforms in trials. Lockheed Martin has worked as a U.S. industrial partner to integrate Spike NLOS into U.S. programs and to demonstrate ground vehicle and rotary wing launches to U.S. forces. Recent demonstrations and service tests have shown the missile in vehicle-launched, helicopter-launched, and maritime roles, underscoring its modular launcher concept. The event underscored the growing strategic cooperation between the United States and Poland, further enhancing collective deterrence capabilities along NATO's eastern flank. This joint campaign not only demonstrates current operational effectiveness, but also highlights the potential future direction for the integration of Spike NLOS missiles onto Poland's own AH-64E Apache fleet, enhancing national and regional defense capabilities. Spike NLOS variants have been exported and fielded by several countries and used in a variety of roles, from counter-armor and point-target strike to counter-mortar and counter-battery applications. Western militaries have found the ability to engage targets without direct line of sight particularly valuable in complex terrain and urban environments. More recently, U.S. Army experiments and selections have placed Spike NLOS into prototype phases for mobile, long-range precision strike applications, reflecting interest in equipping lighter infantry formations with extended-reach precision fires. The technical advantages of Spike NLOS are clear: precision at long ranges, reduced risk to launch platforms, human-verified targeting from imagery, and flexible cross-platform control. These features allow commanders to strike high-value or time-sensitive targets while minimizing collateral effects. However, the system also depends on a secure and resilient data link. In contested electromagnetic environments, data link resilience and alternative guidance fallbacks, for example GPS/INS and terminal autonomous imaging, are operational considerations. Range performance is excellent for the class, but the missile is not a replacement for larger theater-level strike systems. It's optimized for tactical, surgically precise engagements. Spike NLOS is not simply a bigger Spike, it's a concept, a precision, networked, operator-guided missile that brings non-line-of-sight targeting into the hands of frontline formations, with ongoing technical improvements, salvo launch, handover, image matching, and successful demonstrations across vehicles, ships, and helicopters. Spike NLOS exemplifies how modern guided weapons marry sensor imagery, resilient data links, and modular launch options to deliver timely, accurate effects on the battlefield. For commanders seeking precision reach without relying solely on artillery or air power, Spike NLOS presents a compelling, battle-proven option.